See now, Riley?
Ooh, gorilla.
What do you see now, Riley? Gorillas?
And there's tigers over here.
There's tigers over here?
Yeah,
Well, show me where the tigers are.
right over here. There's a mommy and two little babies.
Oh, really?
You see them?
Oh, I do see them. Aren't they cool?
Yeah.
What noise do they make?
Roar!
Show me what noise they make.
Roar! They make roar sounds.
They make rar sounds? Okay.
Do you like the monkeys, Red? Come on, Reagan. Oh.
On what? I got. Who's that, Riley? What animal's that over there? What animal is that? Is that a mommy? Is that a mommy? Huh?
She's an animal.